participated in today's job fair. May you find good matches for your of the memorandum of agreement jobs.
I see. Everyone, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay naman.
Okay, we're good.
Everyone, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay naman.
Okay, we're good.
Miss Teresita C. Coson has brought us all together today to witness the first step towards the operationalization of this undertaking with the Trabaho para sa Bayan Act as its overarching framework.
I believe that Project Jobs is a direct response to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s call for a whole-of-country approach. We constantly discuss this at Malacanang every time we get a visit from the PISAC Jobs Committee. And of course, these recommendations from PISAC always receive the highest support from the palace.